Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vinod, and today I'm going to present my proposal for Zero Trust Architecture Implementation, a framework for modern enterprise security, which has become the defining challenge and opportunity of our time. Cybersecurity has become an important and integral part of how business operate, create value, and compete in today's fast-changing digital economy. Um, uh, the agenda for my today's presentation would be I'd be talking about research contest, problem statement, research questions, literature review, methodology, expected contribution, and timelines and resources. Now, research contest. The rapid pace of the digital revolution has exposed significant security vulnerabilities. Traditional castle and moat security models are losing their relevance in the face of modern threat. Highlight examples of prominent security breaches such as SolarWinds and Colonial Pipeline attack to underscore the urgency. Corporate infrastructure are becoming increasingly complex due to adoption of hybrid cloud system, the rise of IoT connectivity, the normalization of remote working environment. Mm, Research contest continued. Present issues in enterprise security. Widespread adoption of hybrid infrastructure introduces new challenges. Growth in edge computing and the proliferation of IoT devices expand the attack surface. Remote and hybrid working environment require robust and adaptive security solution. Cyber attack strategies are continuously evolving, ensuring compliance across different legal and regulatory framework is increasingly challenging. Many organizations face difficulties in integrating legacy system with modern security measures. The problem statement. Key challenges in implementing zero trust architecture. Uneven adoption level across organization, difficulty in qualifying return on investment for ZTA initiatives, concerns about maintaining business continuity during transitions, challenges in integrating zero trust architecture with existing security system, resistance from end users and organizational stakeholders, ambiguity in allowing the necessary resource for implementation. Research questions. Primary question: how can companies apply zero trust architecture while maintaining operational efficiency and managing deployment cost? Secondary question: what are the implementations challenges specific to different industries? How compatible is zero trust architecture with existing system? What frameworks can measure zero trust architecture implementation success? How does organization culture influence ZTA adoption? And what is the role of automation in ZTA deployment? Review of literature, key components of zero trust architecture, access management and identity, continuous validation of users and device identities, context-aware authentication process, network segmentation, reduce the attack surface by isolating criminal system, enhances visibility and control over network activities, continuous monitoring, real-time threat detection and response, use of behavior analytics to identify anomalies. Methodology, mixed method approach, quantity quantitative method, survey targeting over 200 IT security professionals, analytics of performance metrics to access ZTA effectiveness, and cost of benefits analysis to evaluate economic impact, and qualitative methods, conducting 20 to 25 in-depth interviews with key stakeholders. And second one is detailed examination of 5 to 7 case studies to identify best practices. Second methodologies, data collection strategy, primary data sources, online surveys and questionnaires, documented interview with experts, direct observation of ZTA implementation process, performance data from technical system, secondary data sources, documentation from implementation projects, a report detailing security incidents, a regulatory and policy guidance, and technical specification and standard. Third one, data analysis framework, quantitative analysis, statistical evaluation of survey data, performance criteria assessment, cost-benefit correlation studies, and success factor correlation analysis. Qualitative analysis, thematic analysis of interview transcript, cross-case analysis for comparative insight, in-depth review of implementation documentation. Expected contribution, anticipated theoretical insight, enhanced understanding of ZTA implementation dynamics, identification of critical success, development of models for accessing implementation outcomes, framework for evaluating organizational readiness. Resources and timelines, practical application, structured framework for ZTA implementation, guidelines to address common challenge, defined success metrics for deployment, best practice for change management, and models of resource allocation. Resource and timelines, research value to the industry, strengthening organizational security postures, promoting cost-effective ZTA application, reducing the frequency and impact of security incident, enhancing compliance capabilities in complex regulatory environment, and addressing emerging challenges, evaluating long-term effectiveness of ZTA, identifying sector-specific implementation hurdles, ensuring compatibility with evolving security paradigm and emerging technologies. These are the references I have used. Thank you very much.